Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Tom.
Do you have time?
Yes, I have time.
Let's plan our trip.
I am so excited.
Where should we go?
I want warm weather.
Do you like the beach?
I love the beach.
How about Hawaii?
That sounds perfect.
The island is beautiful.
And the sun is hot.
We can swim daily.
And relax on the sand.
When should we go?
Next month is good.
Let's check the dates.
The first week is open.
7 days?
Yes, 7 days.
It is a long holiday.
We need a break.
It will be fun.
It will be amazing.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's go there.
Okay, Hawaii it is.
I am so happy.
Me too, Sarah.
Let's look at flights.
Good idea.
Get your computer.
I have it here.
Let's start planning.
Here we go.
This is great.
The computer is ready.
Open the travel site.
Okay, it is open.
Search for flights.
From New York to Hawaii.
Look at this airline.
The time is good.
It leaves in the morning.
I like morning flights.
Is it a direct flight?
No, one stop.
That is okay.
Do we want economy?
Yes, economy is fine.
Choose our seats.
I want the window seat.
You like the view?
Yes, I like clouds.
I will take the aisle.
That works well.
Do we have bags?
Yes, 2 suitcases.
I will add baggage.
Is insurance included?
I can add insurance.
Yes, please add it.
It is safer that way.
Okay, book the tickets.
Clicking the button now.
Are we booked?
Yes, we are booked.
We have tickets.
Check your email.
The confirmation is here.
Great job, Sarah.
Great job, Tom.
Now we need a room.
Yes, let's find a hotel.
Look at this hotel.
It is on the beach.
It is a big resort.
It looks very fancy.
It has 3 pools.
I love swimming pools.
Look at the room.
It has a big bed.
And a balcony.
Can we see the ocean?
Yes, an ocean view.
That is so romantic.
Does it have breakfast?
Let me check.
Read the details.
Yes, free breakfast.
I love hotel breakfast.
Me too. Coffee and eggs.
Is there a gym?
Yes, a fitness center.
Perfect for us.
Read the reviews.
The reviews are good.
5 stars.
Mostly 5 stars.
People like the staff.
The service is good.
Let's make a reservation.
Putting in our dates.
Name and address.
Yes, typing it now.
Confirm the booking.
Done. We have a room.
This is real now.
We are going to Hawaii.
I cannot wait.
It will be the best.
Our dream vacation.
The trip is tomorrow.
We must pack today.
Get the suitcases.
They're on the bed.
What should I bring?
Bring your shorts.
Okay, 3 pairs.
Don't forget t-shirts.
I have 5 shirts.
Bring your swimsuit.
The blue one.
Yes, the blue one.
Do I need a jacket?
Maybe for the plane.
The plane is cold.
Bring a light jacket.
What about shoes?
Sandals and sneakers.
Okay, they are packed.
Do you have sunscreen?
No, I don't.
I have extra sunscreen.
Put it in the bag.
Where is your camera?
It is in my backpack.
Do not forget the charger.
Good point. The charger.
And your toothbrush.
Yes, in the kit.
Check your passport.
I have my ID card.
We don't need passports.
Right, it is domestic.
The bags are full.
Close the zipper.
We are ready.
Good work, Sarah.
I am tired now.
Sleep well tonight.
Tomorrow we fly.
Wake up, Sarah.
I am awake.
It is travel day.
The sun is up.
The taxi is here.
Let's grab the bags.
Do you have the phone?
Yes, and the tickets.
Let's go outside.
Goodbye, house.
Hello, airport.
The traffic is light.
We are early.
Better early than late.
I see the terminal.
It is very busy.
We need check-in.
There's the counter.
Give them the bags.
The bags are gone now.
Security check.
Take off your shoes.
Okay, we passed.
Find the gate.
Gate number 4.
Let's sit down here.
Wait for boarding.
I am so happy.
Hawaii, here we come.
Best trip ever.
I love you.
Let's go fly.
Here's the plane.
Let's go.
Adventure starts now.
Yes, it does. Good afternoon. Hello. Welcome to the hotel. Thank you very much. How can I help? We want to check in. What is the last name? The name is Miller. Let me check the computer. We have a reservation. Yes, I found it. Good. 7 nights. Yes, 7 nights. 1 room, ocean view. That is correct. May I have your ID? Here is my driver's license. And a credit card? Yes, here's the card. Thank you. Just a moment. The lobby is beautiful. Okay, all done. Great. Here are your room keys. 2 cards. Yes, 2 cards. What is the room number? Room 502, 5th floor. Where is the elevator? Just around the corner. Do you have Wi-Fi? Yes, the password is on the card. Thank you for your help. Do you need help with bags? No, we are okay. Enjoy your stay in Hawaii. Thank you. Let's go.
Someone is knocking.
I will check.
Who is it?
It is Linda.
Our neighbor?
Yes, from next door.
Oh no, what does she want?
Let me open the door.
Be nice.
I am always nice.
What is she saying?
She invited us tonight.
To what?
A party.
A party? No way.
We should go.
I do not like parties.
It is just neighbors.
I am bad at talking.
You will be fine.
What if I say something stupid?
You will not.
I always do.
Just smile and listen.
That's it?
Yes, easy.
Okay, fine. What time?
7 tonight.
What should I wear?
Wear the blue shirt.
Is it too formal?
No, it is perfect.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
What about my shoes?
The brown ones.
Okay, what do I talk about?
Anything.
Like what?
The weather, their house, food.
That is so boring.
Boring is safe.
What if they ask about work?
Tell them.
My job is boring too.
Then ask them questions.
What questions?
Where are you from? How long here?
That is all?
Yes, keep it simple.
Simple. Got it.
You are thinking too much.
I cannot help it.
Just relax.
Easy for you to say.
There are so many people.
It is okay.
I want to go home.
We just arrived.
I forgot the wine.
I brought it.
Oh, right.
Come on, let us go in.
You go first.
No, together.
Everyone is staring.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Stop it.
Who was that guy?
I do not know.
What if he talks to me?
Be polite.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Good, like that.
This is so hard.
You are doing great.
I am sweating.
No one notices.
Where is Linda?
Over there by the kitchen.
Should we say hi?
Yes, now.
Hey, you are new here.
Yes, kind of.
I am Mark.
Hi, Tom.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
You live next to Linda.
Yes, we do.
Great neighborhood.
Yeah.
Where are you from? New York. New York? Wow. Yep, I love New York.
That is nice. What do you do?
I work in IT.
IT. Cool.
Thanks.
What kind of IT?
Just computers. Awesome.
I love tech.
Mm-hmm.
You like the city here?
It is okay.
Just okay?
I mean, yes.
Good.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. I am Mark.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Great party, right?
Yes, Linda always does this.
Really? How often?
Every few months.
That is so fun.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I do.
Your husband is quiet.
He is just shy.
Oh, I see.
He is a good listener.
That is important.
Exactly.
Have you tried the food?
Not yet.
The chicken is amazing.
We should try it.
Yes, go now.
Thank you for the tip.
No problem.
Tom, let's get some food.
Nice talking to you both.
You too, Mark.
This chicken is good.
I told you.
Mark was nice.
See, not scary.
I was terrible.
You were fine.
I said 2 words.
That is okay.
I said 2 words.
You saved me. I helped.
I need more practice.
You will get better.
Can we leave now?
Do you want to?
I do not know.
Be honest.
Maybe stay a bit.
Really?
The food is good.
Okay.
And people are nice.
They are.
I still hate small talk.
Everyone does.
Really?
Yes, everyone is nervous.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Here, try this.
Tom, do you want to try the dessert?
What is it?
I think it's chocolate cake.
That sounds good.
I could use something sweet.
Let's go to the table before it's gone.
Okay, but you have to talk to someone new this time.
Deal. I'll ask Linda about her vacation photos.
Good idea. I'll get us 2 pieces of cake.
Thank you.
Here you go.
This is delicious.
I agree. Parties are not so bad when there's cake.
And when you have someone to talk to.
Yes, that helps a lot. Thank you both for coming tonight.
Thank you for inviting us, Linda.
Yes, it was a nice evening.
I hope you had a good time.
We did. The food was great and everyone was friendly.
I was nervous at first, but I feel better now.
That's normal. Next time will be even easier.
Absolutely. Maybe a barbecue next month?
That sounds fun.
We'll bring dessert next time.
Perfect. Have a safe walk home.
Thanks, Linda. Good night.
Good night.
That was not as bad as I thought.
See, you survived the party.
I even talked to Mark and tried the cake.
You did great. I'm proud of you.
Thanks for pushing me to go.
Sometimes we need a little push to try new things.
I still feel a bit tired from all the talking.
That's normal. Social things can be exhausting.
But I'm glad we went.
Me too. The food was good and we met new people.
Next time, maybe I'll talk even more.
That's the spirit.
Let's go home and relax now.
Yes, I need some tea and a quiet sofa. Tom, what did you learn tonight?
I learned that small talk is not as scary as I thought.
And?
That most people are just as nervous as I am.
Exactly. Everyone wants to be liked and feel comfortable.
I also learned that cake makes everything better.
True.
I think I can try more social things now.
I'll be with you every time.
Thanks, Sarah.
You're welcome. Now let's get some sleep.
Good night.
Good night, Tom. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Sarah.
How do you feel after last night's party?
Honestly, I feel good. I was nervous, but I'm glad we went.
You did really well.
I was surprised I could do it.
See, you just needed a little practice.
I think I want to try going to more events now.
That's a great idea.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Maybe next time I'll start a conversation myself.
I'll be there to cheer you on.
Thanks, Sarah. I'm lucky to have you.